coming in from Bengaluru itself, and this is an unrelated case. But the story that's coming in from Bengaluru pertains to students and some deep fake pictures that have been leaked. These are pictures of class 9 students that were leaked. Parents have complained to the Bengaluru cops and these images circulated on WhatsApp. We're going to tell you more details about who are these students who are involved, what is the entire controversy about. Deepak continues to stay with us. Deep fakes, one thing that has been causing concern to everyone. Tell our viewers about what is this latest controversy about, Deepak.
Well, the parents of a young girl from, upscale school in Bengaluru, she's from the 9th grade, went ahead to the cyber police and complained that a few photos of her, of their children, or rather her daughter, was circulating on social media. This was a group that they were in where suddenly they saw morphed images of their daughter that emerged, after which they went ahead and complained. Now, what is even more problematic here is the fact that some of these pictures were posted by this girl on her, social media profile, which was limited to just her friends. Right now, the cops, are investigating whether it was an inside job, whether the people who are her friend on her social media profiles, whether they leaked these photos and eventually morphed it as well. A thorough investigation is right now going on into the matter. One complaint has been filed, but what we are learning is that another girl's morphed pictures were also put up on social media. This too parallelly could be investigated, but as far as a complaint is concerned, just one has been filed up until now, and that is being probed.
So from the same school, now that you're mentioning, Deepak, that another student's pictures also is doing the rounds on social media, these deep fake morphed pictures, is this student also from the same school?
Yes, that's the reason the cops suspect that it could be, one of the friends of the students, whether this was a prank. But of course, a prank of this nature is completely uncalled for. So there would be, of course, a disciplinary action that would be taken. An entire inquiry also has been ordered in the school, as well as what we've been told, along with the police as well, probing this particular matter. The cyber cops will be looking at the list of people who are friends with this particular girl on her social media, could try to, ascertain whether it was any one of them who leaked and eventually morphed these photos as well.
Thank you, Deepak, for getting us those details. So we're talking about class 9 students from an upscale school in Bengaluru, and they've been targeted by the deepfake menace. We'll get you more updates on the probe, but time for us to slip into a short commercial break. Thanking Deepak for getting us all those details, taking a short break.